Today we will learn the letter J and L.
Hello again, it's me, Dr. B. Thank you for joining me. The topic today is the letter L and the letter J. We will focus on recognizing these two letters, we'll practice their sounds, and we'll identify items that begin with either the J sound or the L sound. So are you ready?
Yes!
Great, so let's begin. As I told you before, I'm having an alphabet party, and it's so important that I have items that begin with all the letters of the alphabet. So today we're going to focus on just the letter L and the letter J. So are you ready? Can you help me with that?
Yes!
Great. Let's first focus on the way the letters are written. If you look at this letter L, this is the capital L, and sometimes we call it the uppercase L. It's written different than the lowercase l. They're written different from each other, but they make the same sound. The sound that they make is Can you say that? Let's say it together. Great job. Now let's switch over to the J. We have two letters here. The first one is the capital J. The next one is the lowercase j. They're written different as well, but they make the same sound. The sound that J makes is J. Did you hear that? Let's say it together. J. Good job. Now that we've gone over, we've had a chance to recognize the two letters and we were able to practice their sounds. Now let's talk about some items that begin with either the J sound or the L sound. I'm going to show pictures on the screen, so it's so important that when you see the pictures on the screen, I want you to say the word, tell me what that picture is, and tell me if you hear the J sound or L sound at the beginning. Are you ready? Let's go. The first picture is a picture of lemon.
Yes!
Lemon. Say lemon and listen for the beginning sound. Is it a J sound or an L sound?
For lemon.
Yes!
If you said lemon starts with an L, you're correct. So that means we can place that picture in this bag, the L bag. Our next picture is a picture of a jar.
Yes!
Say the word jar and listen for the beginning sound. Is it a J sound or is it an L sound?
J.
For jar.
Yes!
If you said jar begins with J, you are correct. If you heard the J sound at the beginning of jar, it will be placed. That picture will go in this bag. Great job listening. The next item I have is a picture of a flower.
Wow!
Flower. Say the word and determine if you can hear the beginning sound of a J or an L. What is the beginning sound in flowers?
For flower.
Oh no!
If you said you can't hear a J or an L, you're correct. We can't hear either letter. So guess what? We can't use it. We'll put that one to the side. The next one is my last picture, and it is a picture of a lamp.
Yes!
Say lamp and listen for the beginning sound. Do you hear a J sound at the beginning or do you hear an L sound at the beginning?
For lamp.
Yes!
If you said you hear an L sound at the beginning of lamp, you are correct. Great job. You did a wonderful job listening for those unique sounds in the letter J and L. I think you did a great job helping me identify all the items that I need for my alphabet party that starts with the letter J and the letter L. Thanks a lot, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time.